So in the last video, we created a procedure called delete server entry, and it takes in an integer, and that integer corresponds to the server ID of the entry. So we're going to create a function in our database interface that goes through and pretty much just deletes it for us. So what I'm going to do is create a new class inside of delete, and then we need to go over here and create a function. So I'm going to create one, call it public. Let's see, just do a boolean in case we need to, we're just gonna do a void, public void, delete data, and it's gonna take in a value, so I'm gonna call it index, or no, server ID, like so. So then up here, I wanna do db dot delete data, then the server ID, which is ID. So now we can go ahead and just copy what we have above in post data to make it quicker. And we're going to delete all but one parameter, get rid of us creating the random ID, and change the procedure from add server entry to delete server entry. We can delete the two returns. Okay, and now what we have is a complete setup to hopefully execute that procedure. So now we just need a way to test this. So let's see, I'm just looking over it real quick. I think we're good, so I'm going to go ahead and Control F5. Load up the database and Postman. And I'm going to do a quick post. And here's my returned ID. I want to check and make sure it's in the database, which it is. Then I'm going to go change this to delete. And what I'm going to pass in is server ID and then the value. I'm going to hit send. Does it have to be wrapped? Let's see here.